Okay, got a video to show you a few ways you can use your matte glaze Glow Plus headset. First, it came with a USB-C cable. This you can use to directly plug into your phone or laptop if it's a port display to the USB-C. Okay, right here is what it would look like using it on Windows. Okay. Next, they sell a adapter, the 3-in-1 adapter, but it is priced at $140 and a lot bulkier than something like this. This is a HDMI to USB-C converter. It is not a USB-C to HDMI converter, which is what you will find 99% of the time if you search for USB-C to HDMI converter. It is not equivalent and it is one way only. You cannot use them interchangeably, and this is the cheapest one that you can get right now from SIG, and this is Co who sells it. The way you use it, you plug in the USB-C into the output. You will need a power to micro USB, and then you can plug it in directly to your laptop or PS4, which I'll show you later. And here's what it looks like watching a movie. The size of the screen is bigger than most of the monitor you'll use for your computer, but smaller than all VR headsets out there. Okay. Next, I'll show you how to use this on your PS4. Okay. The setup is pretty much the same. You take the USB output from your PS4 and plug it right into the adapter, and HDMI goes to the video output. Right there, and it should just work. The lenses currently is pretty dark, and it is quite difficult to see anything in the background. Hopefully in the future they'll release lenses with lighter color or photochromic or transition glasses that changes brightness depending on your ambient lighting condition. Currently the only way you can see anything in the background is if you have a light source, or if you're outdoors with bright sunlight. Okay, that is all I have to show you today. Let me know if you have any question about what it's like using this.